Hi, did you order Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, what's your name?
What's your name?
No, you gotta say my name for the Uber.
What's your name?
Are you okay? What's your name?
No, what's your name?
No, you gotta say my name. It's for the security.
No, but I'm a girl, so it's for my security.
You're a girl?
Yeah.
Why does that matter?
You're kind of giving, like, pervy vibes. What's
Okay,
your name?
well, what I identify as a girl, so what does that mean?
That's even scarier. What's your name?
No, you gotta say my name.
No.
And your hair is like, what's wrong with you? I don't know if you ever graduated high school or not, but like, what's your name?
I'm actually a high school
Like,
dropout.
did you check the car when you got in?
Yeah, G-Wagon.
Okay, so say your name.
Say my name, say my name.
No, it's not funny.
When no one's
And your voice
around
sucks.
you,
Say-
baby, I love you.
Are you filming me?
Say my name.
That's not allowed. That's not allowed.
It's for my safety. You're being like a tweaker.
Okay, well, what does that mean? Are
I
you
don't know, you're
discriminating
stupid.
against tweakers?
Yeah, I
Like,
guess.
that's not cool at all. And your phone is like ugly. That's like an old, like, was that
The
iPhone 2?
It's
iPhone
the
2?
15 Pro.
It looks like an old
It's
iPhone.
the 15 Pro.
Looks
You're
like
just,
Samsung.
You're just mad because you're broke.
Kinda, yeah. That's why I'm driving Uber.
Yeah, I know. What's your name?